So we want to use React Native Navigation because it's a really nice library which just works very well. Here on their documentation of React Native Navigation, you find instructions using yarn, which is an alternative to npm. You can simply run npm install -- save instead of yarn add. So this is what I'll do. I'll go back to my project, and there I'll just run npm install -- save react-native-navigation. That's the package name. This will download it, place entry in the package.json file, and allows us to continue with the setup so that we can soon use it. Now, this will take a couple of seconds. We're not done once this downloaded though. Instead, what we'll do is, or what we have to do is, follow the steps which are laid out here. But it's really not that difficult. First of all, we have to do the normal linking in Xcode, which I already showed you. So make sure to open your project in Xcode to do that. Once you are in Xcode, right-click on Libraries, click on Add Files to your project. Go to Node Modules in your project folder and search for the React Native Navigation package there. There, go into the iOS folder. And in that folder, search for this .xcode project file. Here it is. Simply click Add thereafter, and then click on your project name here in the top left bar. Click on Build Phases, and there on Link Binary with Libraries, click on this plus at the bottom of the list. Simply search for React Native Navigation, here it is already, and click Add. Now that's the first step. Now if we go back to the application, we see that we actually covered steps 2 and 3 with that already. So we linked our binary, we added it to the project. The next step is described pretty well here. So what we have to do is, we have to click on our project and then click on Build Settings next to Build Phases. Build Settings. Now there, you probably have to click on All. So switch from Basic to All. And then you may search for header here, or even header search or SEA, so that you find these header search paths here. Now, in the official documentation, we can see that now on these header search paths, we have to enter this link here. And you don't need to replace anything in that path, just add it to your header search paths. Just double click here on the right and click on the small plus icon here. Add this path you just copied and make sure to switch it from non-recursive to recursive. And then just click anywhere out of this box. It should now be added and it automatically picks your full path. This is step 4 finished, and you can even view some screenshots for all these paths if it's unclear. The next step is in Xcode to edit the app-delegate.m file. So in your project, you will find it here, app-delegate.m. And now simply click on this reference links they list on their page. There you find the content you should paste into that file. You can simply click on raw here to get just text which you can copy. And with that, go back and simply replace the entire content of this file with this content you just copied, just like that. And with that, your iOS setup is completed. You should now be able to use this navigation. Now let's follow with the installation for Android in the next lecture.